There's a little black bird in it.
Oh.
They're working out there. Read them logs you put in for the feeder, so you want it.
It's making a big difference instead of how now
Looks better than now than just a bird tip. It looks more natural, doesn't it?
Putting all the food scraps and bird seed on the floor. Attracting the rats.
There's a little robin.
A little robin just flew in. Oh, blackbird nearly had it. I've got them nesting around on the side of the shed. There's a lot.
What, the blackbirds?
Aye.
So they're chasing them off.
Aye. That other one will not like that. There's the other one attacking that one. There must be two males. Aye. So I've been putting mealworm down and stuff like that for them.
Aye.
Plenty, like a mixed bird seed and mealworm, but it's getting a lot of birds.
That's a robin. There's
a robin again on the little stump and the blackbird coming.
Blacky back. Robins will probably be nesting somewhere.
The blackbird nearly had that one, didn't he?
Little sparrow. Is that a house sparrow?
Aye. There is the house sparrows, there's a few of them.
How much?
I think that's a female blackbird.
That's one thing I find it. I know there's a difference, but I find it hard to tell from now just looking at it.
Well, this screen's a bit
so
smaller.
all them house sparrows there.
There's males and females coming in.
Something bobbing in the background there.
There's a few behind the logs.
You know, that's
see.
More sparrows.
Aye. Let's see if anything else interesting happens on them.
Well, you always get a lot of sparrows when you put.
Put any kind of food before.
They reckon they're really down in numbers now compared to what they used to be. Those sparrows.
Aye.
They reckon they're doing. I don't know what the reason is, but they reckon the numbers are doing a lot now over the last few decades.
I think it's something to do with the nesting habitats for them. Now they call what them flat tail roofs these days, compared to the old ridge tail, like the old tails.
Couple of collared doves in it.
Aye. There's a few small birds. Is that another robin on the log, I think.
Collared doves.
They're nice birds, and now they're a pest. People still see them as a pest, don't they? It's like introduced into this country in the 50s. And numbers of like...
When we were kids, when we used to nest, we never used to find them that much because they always seemed to be nesting in gardens more, didn't they? We never really found them like in the wild.
They were never in the parks and stuff
they were always in people's gardens.
But now they're all over the place, because that was a good 30 years ago. Like nearly 40 years ago.
And food loads of pigeons.
Plenty of pigeons.
The wood pigeons.
There's a lot of pigeons compared to then and now.
There's loads just in my back garden. Sometimes in the morning, the big green, there's maybe 30 of them.
You get a
Lifts off early in the morning.
I get a load in my garden.
There's just 3 collared doves again on it.
There's one at the back there. No, I've seen more sparrows dropping to the back there. It's shyer than the other birds of sparrows.
And the house sparrows again. The hedge sparrows. Dicky hedras. Right, Dunnocks is a proper name for them, isn't it? The hedge sparrows.
Dunnock.
We call them Dicky hedras.
I
don't know what the hedras is, like Dicky hedger, but we used to say Dicky hedras, a Geordie thing, but we didn't really...
It's not a word you hear.
We never say hedge for hedge, do we? So I cannot really stand why we used to say that one.
I don't know where that one come from. Hedge. Dicky
hedger. That's some funny Geordie words.
See a lot of small birds around at the back there, but you cannot make them out on the screen properly.
Do you ever get many other type of birds? Do you get finches and that in there any time?
I haven't had a single finch in there this year.
There's a wood pigeon there.
But they're some size, aren't they?
Do you think compared to the collared dove, they're twice the size, aren't they? The feral pigeons, what you get in the town centres, they're not much bigger than a collared doves. Really, they're quite small.
They are.
The wood pigeons are big.
The wood pigeons are huge.
That's why people eat wood pigeon, as there's a little bit more.
Twice as much meat on them.
Still not low, but you get quite a bit, like a decent couple of bits of breast on them. Although a lot of people don't eat them because they think. I think that's what people think. What puts them off? They just think of the feral pigeons and the tuna puts them off. They don't realise it's a different bird altogether, isn't it?
It is. You get the feral pigeons. They're mixed in rock dogs, aren't they?
Nice.
And escaped or lost homing pigeons. That's why they're all different colours.
Are you a pigeon?
Nah.
I've tried it a few times. I like it.
I might have it as a young one, but I just cannot remember.
It's really dark.
Proper red meat.
Nice,
What we're doing to the last minute of the video, and see what comes in on this one. Is that a little?
I think just little sparrows again, innit? That's what it looks like, anyway. The grass is getting a bit long.
And I'm going to have to cut that just so we can see it properly. The birds are having trouble staying in the seed.
We'll set it up around night one day because we'll get this finch, rare goldfinches.
You've got a lot more variety of trees around there, haven't you?
All finches really, and
there's a lot
long-tailed tits I've seen around there.
Aye.
There's loads.
We have the gold crests around there now.
Or
we've actually seen them, so they will be there. Oh, is that a blue tit? It is. It's on the fence. Back down onto the log. I've got 2 nest boxes in the garden, small garden, but both of them are getting used by the blue tits,
I've got a couple of mine, like I've never checked them, to be honest.
And the blackbird's nesting up the side of the